Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video it will be another type of review. Well, I'll be reviewing a blower or hair dryer, and I bought it sa Shopee. Well, we have the product here. So I ordered this last March and then I got it today, which is March 10, and the price is 239 pesos plus shipping fee. So all in all, binayad ko is 304 pesos. And also the product is named as SJW, the new NV-899 Nova Professional Salon Tools Flow. So I'll just flash it on the screen. And also their shop is sjw.shop. So I'll just link down below yung shop nila. So this is the packaging. So medyo malaki siya. So let's open it. So, ito yung box niya. So, meron siyang kasamang bubble wrap. And, based sa comments nila is that umaalog-alog ba yung product. Which is true naman. Kasi maluwag sa loob. But I think the product is okay. Okay lang naman siya. So, why I chose this product, it is because, this is not my first option talaga na hair blower. But then, due to some circumstances, yung ibang shop kasi is they don't support the shipping something. So ito yung nakuha ko, and then it is cash on delivery. So that's why ito yung nabili ko. So andito na yung box. So mababasa nyo is the new Nova NV-899 Professional. So yung brand niya I think is Nova. This is another product na yung pang Shopee, yung presyo is very affordable and magagamit natin for like yung mga daily things that we need. And it has high power, 2,200 watts, 4-speed, 4 extra drive. So also I chose this product because gusto ko yung malaki yung blower, hindi yung mga tag 89 pesos lang, kasi there are a lot of comments na sinasabi nila dali lang daw umiinit. So I think this is more safe. I think so. So guys, reminder, we must not overuse this product kasi we know naman that this product is yung affordable and we don't really know the product well. It's your own responsibility to use this product. So let's open the box. So meron ako isang video about the hair iron, and which is still very good. That's why I recommend that product. And also I'm trying new product, yung mga affordable, because I think na meron ding yung mga products na magaganda. So bukas ng box to makikita mo. There are two colors, the gold and the pink one. So yan lang yung nasa loob ng box. And then yung parang head ng blower. So andito rin yung manual niya kasama sa loob ng plastic. And this is the product. Nova. Makikita mo yung Nova. Yung manual. Ito yung nakasulat. So I'll just read the important parts. So based sa hair dryer manual, you must check the plug-in power if the voltage whether accord with the voltage you have at home. And second is, do not dip this appliance into water. We all know that. And also, do not cover the intake or open or the exhaust. So wag natin itakip yung mga kamay natin dito, wag natin takpan. And also, this appliance is overheat protect setting when it is too hot, such as the intake or exhaust was covered, the power will be cut off automatically. So if na-overuse na siya, automatic daw siyang nag-off. and then for several minutes let it rest, and then you can use it again. And also, if you cover this, automatic daw siyang mag-off. So, if gagamit kayo nito, biglang nagsastop siya. So, meaning mayroong something or nag-overheat na siya. Or natakpan nyo yung likod ng blower. Hindi niya sinabi dito kung paano ito gamitin. And I have these two buttons here. I don't know what are this. So, let's find out kung ano to. And this is my first time having a blower. So it's my first time. So this is the blower, guys. Lateral view, anterior and posterior view, anatomy. So sa harap, the anterior view, you can see the two parts of the buttons. Merong red at saka black. I think this is for cool and hot. I don't know. Let's try it later. And yeah, that's it. And the plug. So, ganito yung itsura ng plug niya. So, wala siyang takip or anything na protective. And then, we have here yung parang head niya. So, para ma-direct natin kung saan natin gusto. This, guys, if talagang gumagana to, so, I will wet my head first. I will wet my hair. I will wet my hair first bago natin gamitin to para to tell if it's really working and if it's really worth the price. So guys, my hair is already wet and talagang it's dripping pa. So we will be trying it if sasabog ba ito or hindi. Well, we will be trying it. If it's gagana, then it's good to go. So this is also very helpful if talagang nagmamadali kayo and then you need to dry your hair before going out something, or mag-hair iron kayo before you do hair iron. Set it sa 0 muna. Merong 0, 1, and 2. I think it has the same voltage with this one because mga Pinoy yung nagko-comment doon. So, basically, we have the same voltage. Oh my gosh, na-plug ko na, guys. Let's try it if it's working. So, let's start with the black one. I think this is cool. Ooh. Okay. It's working. So, ganito siya kalakas. Now, let's try the number 2. Okay. Now, let's try the red one. Okay, it's not working. The 2. I think you need to press also the black. Okay, now I get it. The red one, hindi siya gumagana if it is alone lang yung ipe-press nyo. So, you need to press also the black because this is the on-off and this is the setting for cold or hot air. So, if i-on to nyo, this is, if i-on nyo to, well, it will produce a heat air. And this one alone is cold. Not really cold. May konting heat. But not really yung mainit. I have a timer here and let's try having this timer if ilang oras niyang kayang madry yung hair ko. So it's just an average time yung ilang oras niyang kayang i-dry. Maybe we just use the one lang. So press the red one and I think it's not that strong. So, kailangan natin yung 2 talaga. So, let's change it to 2 para mas mabilis tayo matapos. Let's try this head also. I don't know. Anong gamitin? So, finally guys, I'm already finished drying my hair. So, final thoughts about this product is, it is really good. Well, for the price, affordable naman siya. 300 plus merong shipping fee na yun. And for the strength, yung kakayan ng blower to, I will rate it 8/10 kasi it is not that strong. It is good for yung pang daily use lang natin, for individual. Hindi siya yung if nagde-think kayo para sa salon, hindi to pwede kasi it's not that strong talaga. Yung hangin niya na lumalabas is like yung number 2 niya is, for me lang, is very kulang if talagang nagmamadali kayo because it takes 11 minutes for this length of hair para ma-dry nyo siya totally. Pero yung hair ko is very basa yun, so I think it would take like 8 minutes if medyo dry na yung buhok nyo. So this product is okay. You can try this, you can buy this since it's affordable. So yung plastic niya, so maraming nagko-comment yung plastic niya is pangit daw. Well, for me, it's okay. Kasi magaan lang siyang hawakan. So, kapag matagal na kayong nagda-dry, hindi magsistrain yung hand niyo or hindi mabibigatan since it's lightweight. And also, yung design niya, maganda naman yung design niya. Hindi naman cheap tignan. It's nice. The color is nice also. Lastly, if it's worth it, so guys, it's really worth the price. But malalaman natin soon if you're watching this and if you're a user of this product, you can comment your experience about this product, and also if you're planning to buy, you can comment also. Because based on my last review, yung hair iron, it's still working. It's 100% still working. And I use it like 4 times a week. So, it's a really good product. And ito, I will try this. Let's see if talagang pang matagalan to. That's all for this video, guys, for this review. And I hope you like my video. And please comment down below any suggestions kung anong gusto nyong i-review ko pa for my video soon. And yeah, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!